A coordinated bomb threat, it's the focus of investigations after several schools across the country were ordered closed on Thursday. School administrators were forced to swiftly escort students out of the potential danger zones. Sandy Williams reports.
Are we moving? Are we moving? Are we moving? Let's go, let's go!
Evacuation at the Sabina Infant School in Portmore, St. Catherine Thursday morning. There were similar scenes in Kingston and St. Andrew, Clarendon and Trelawney. The chaos stemmed from a series of bomb threats emailed to the schools on Thursday. Jeffrey Douglas is acting principal at the Dembe High School in Clarendon.
When we reported for work, my secretary would have checked the emails as she usually do, and we realized that at 6:03 a.m. this morning, an email would have been sent to the school. Started by saying that there are explosives planted at the school. And so, of course, we would have acted accordingly. I also received a call from another principal about a similar email.
Though the email was addressed to a Clarendon-based institution, it was also sent to the Greater Portmore High School.
In order to ensure that we create a safe environment, we reach out to the police high commands, and the advice was for us to vacate, providing opportunity for the necessary team to come in and do due diligence.
The situation triggered panic as students tried to rush home safely, but not all of them escaped injury.
With the number of students moving from the different corridors and so on, it seems as if he was running, and in running, he seemed as if he twisted his foot. Members of the fire department would have done their preliminary observation of his foot, and it seems as if it is nothing serious. It could be that it is sprained, but his parent came in and they're off to seek medical assistance at this time.
Even parents got frantic.
I just was home and was about to go back to work when my sister called me from Montego Bay, and my spouse said I must go and pick up my child from school. I was like, what? Pick up what? She was like, yes, come and get Evershay because there's a bomb threat at Greater Portmore High School. So that's what I did. I ran and I came and picked up my daughter. It's a very frightening experience. Just running, while I was running and think about it, I was like, suppose me ever hear boom, or suppose I ever hear explosion, what would happen, you know?
Teams from the Jamaica Fire Brigade and the police were quick to arrive on the scenes.
Upon arrival, we coordinated with the police. Their specialist unit from the K9 division arrived on the scene subsequently, did a thorough check of the building. We also conducted the necessary check, and we are satisfied that the building is now safe to be reoccupied as nothing was found.
For what it's worth, I would want to encourage the persons out there who are so motivated to do this kind of thing that, they should consider the impact on the schools and the children when they carry out these acts. The investigators will be coming down from CFCD and CTAC to assist with that side of the investigation in terms of what was sent.
No one has been taken into custody as investigations are ongoing. Meanwhile, classes are expected to resume on Friday, November 9. Sandy Williams, TVJ News.